guys? All right, so we are at the final round, Valentine Valley, round 12, dude. Super stoked. Today's practice, so we got everyone out there. Dude, we got a pretty packed house out there for practice. I'm excited for the race tomorrow. Dude, you couldn't ask for better weather. It's just such a nice day, man. It feels really good, man. I feel like this weekend's gonna be really, really good for us, and everyone's riding so good in practice. Supposed to get the same weather tomorrow, so looking forward to it, man. It's gonna be such a good time. That's it for practice. We got the last one on the track right now. Dude, it's gonna be an epic day tomorrow. Colty didn't get to practice today, man. He was a little bummed, but we got here late. I had a wedding that I was in yesterday, so we got to that track a little later than we normally do. Jeff ran the whole show today, and dude, they did awesome. They did awesome. The track is good. Dude, we're gonna have a ton of people racing tomorrow, man, so it's gonna be good. I'm really excited. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
It's the season finale of the 2023 TriStar MX Outdoor Series here at Valentine Valley. We're pumped for today. It's a double points race, so I feel like the racers are really gonna be getting after it. We're pumped. We're ready for an exciting day of motocross, and weather is looking great. Not a cloud in the sky. Track's looking awesome, so it should be a great way to end our 2023 outdoor season.
motos. Super solid, man. Dude, we are just running like clockwork today. I think it's just at 12 o'clock. We should be done by 3 o'clock. And man, dude, we had some really, really good racing. A couple of Reds kids out here battling, and it's just been a good day so far. We're excited to get the second moto started. Wrapped up our very first outdoor series. This was the 2023 TriStar MX series, and we just finished it. It's been a blast. I want to thank each and every person that came out, each and every mom, dad, every rider, anybody that had anything to do with it. I want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We couldn't have done it without you. It was a very good season. Saw a lot of growth in a lot of the younger riders, which, you know, they are the future of motocross, so it's always a good thing to see those guys excel and grow as riders, and just happy, you know, we had a great first season, and looking forward to coming back next year even stronger.